Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar chart. Now just before I start today's trading session, there's two things I would like to do. The first thing is announce a live trading session that will be taking place on our YouTube channel tomorrow. I myself will be starting with a $1,000 account. It will start at 1 p.m. British and that's British time, so it's an hour and a half before the US markets open. You can follow that live stream by visiting our YouTube channel just before 1 p.m. tomorrow, where you'll then be able to join the live stream. And as I mentioned, I will be starting with $1,000, so you're welcome to fund your accounts and trade alongside me in real time. Second thing, I just want to congratulate all of the Signal team. We hit our take profit today on gold. We had a price target up at 19.05, and we did early on in the session hit 19.06. So well done to everyone in the Signal team who managed to profit from that trade. Gold markets, as you can see, very volatile trading session, and there I was last week saying that this week probably we won't see too much volatility in the market because liquidity would be low, but boy was I wrong. We've had a lot of news happening over the weekend. First of all, there's a new strain of coronavirus here in the UK, which has caused a massive amount of volatility over the weekend, with many European countries, the likes of Germany, France, Austria, Turkey, Italy, all banning flights from the UK to their countries because of this new strain. Of course, it allows coronavirus to spread a lot quicker than the first strain that that has pretty much spread worldwide. So it would not be good news at all, especially now that we're trying to give out this vaccine from Pfizer, Moderna and Oxford. So it really isn't good news, and it's had a massive impact today on the stock market. Most of the European indices were down 4% in the morning. The US indices were down roughly 2%. But then on the flip side, we've had some very bullish news this weekend. First of all, Moderna has now been approved for emergency use, and 5 million doses of their vaccine are currently getting distributed in the US. And second of all, probably the best news over the weekend is that second stimulus deal has finally been approved. It's about to get voted on in Congress in Washington, but it's expected to be approved, and it's worth roughly $900 trillion. Now, this is the news that we've been waiting for, and I do believe this will cause gold to break out in the upcoming day. So I would be a buyer here, guys. As you can see, we tested the 50-day EMA, our sessions lows. Today, in today's trading session, we did go as low as 1858, but as you can see, the buyer supported this level. We're now trading back up at 1880. I would be a buyer of gold at this level right now. I do anticipate us to break out, and I think that we're going to trade up back up to 2000 very, very shortly. So I would be a buyer. No interest in selling gold, especially going into Tuesday's session. Tomorrow we are expected to have the GDP data come out as well, and of course you can trade live with me. So this could be really fun trading gold in tomorrow's trading session. So definitely tune in for that, guys. But as I mentioned, my bias here on the gold markets, I'm a buyer, no interest in selling. I think we're about to go back towards all-time highs here in the gold market.